Hello, welcome to Cooper Auto Sales on beautiful Whidbey Island. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Tundra 4-door. It is the TRD off-road package with only 43,000 miles. Extra clean, well-maintained truck. Has the backup camera in the rear view mirror. Has the cargo light, voice command Bluetooth, of course 4-wheel drive. It also has the power sliding rear window and traction control. Power seat. And this is the large door 4-door. Much more room than the smaller 4-door trucks. This truck comes with the 5 3/4 foot bed. Tires are like new. Has the tow package with the 2 plugs. Locking rear tailgate. Has the spray-in bed liner. Doesn't even look like it's been used. Rubber floor mats. Overhead center console. Large box console. Seats fold down if you just want to cargo. Has also the center armrest that folds out with cup holder. Little storage area for your tools. Rear window defogger. I don't know if you can see the lines in it there. So this is a very comfortable 5-passenger pickup truck. This has what they call the I-Force 5.7 liter V8. Plenty of power to do all your towing needs. Also there are the driving lights. And it also looks like it has the satellite radio. This truck is now available at Cooper Auto Sales. Thank you for viewing.